Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating prerequisites: Windows version, service pack, and net. This prevents install time failures. Once done, mount the SQL Server 2014 ISO and run setup. EXE elevated because user rights control service registration. Make sure the setup support rules pass. Fix any blocking items, then choose New SQL Server Standalone Installation. This first action opens the installer workflow and creates the basis for feature selection. So proceed now, without skipping the rules step. Now you configure features and the instance details. Select database engine services and optionally management tools. You must decide default versus named instance. Choose service accounts. Use low-privileged dedicated accounts for SQL Server and agent because security and service isolation matter. Set collations to match application needs. For performance, place MDF/LDF and tempdb on separate disks. Adjust tempdb files and sizes. Once configured, the installer will validate, address warnings, and proceed to credentials and administrators. Finish the installation, then install the latest SSMS if it did not ship with your media. Once installed, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and open port 1433 in Windows Firewall so clients can connect. This is essential for network access. Apply the latest cumulative update, create a basic maintenance plan, and test a connection using SSMS and SQL CMD. If something goes wrong, check the SQL Server error log and Windows event log first. They usually show the root cause, resolve service account or permission issues, and restart the service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.